Around 20,000 steps.
10,000 plus steps.
15,000 steps per day.
Welcome to Sunny Spotlight. Behind me stands one of the largest exhibition venues in the world, the China Import and Export Fair Complex in Guangzhou, South China's Guangdong province. The 136th China Import and Export Fair is currently on the way here. Theme serving high-quality development, promoting high-level opening up. This edition of the fair features more than 30,000 exhibitors, showcasing 1.15 million new products. It has a total exhibition area of over 1.55 million square meters, which is comparable to more than 200 football fields. So, exploring the fair would be quite a feat for buyers from around the globe. Have you worked hard at the Canton Fair?
Yeah, because the fair is very big.
I haven't stopped.
15 to 20 kilometers, on the fair.
Yeah, I'm tired.
15 times now. Looking for some new products as well, for some new things, and see some old friends.
We got many ideas about the new products, like from hair or a lot of things.
In Saudi Arabia, I think for the market, for landscaping, developing big parks and hotels and everything, we made the order. Very helpful.
Launched in 1957 and held twice yearly, the Canton Fair is considered a major gauge of China's foreign trade. Over the years, the development of the Canton Fair goes beyond merely the exhibition area and the duration.
参加广交会的各类型企业越来越多，优质企业的数量屡创新高。广交会的朋友遍天下，不仅欧美等传统市场采购商人数保持增长，来自“一带一路”共建国家的采购商群体增幅更快，占比已经超过65%。全球采购商为什么漂洋过海、不远万里来参加广交会？因为值。
Hopefully this will cover all the hard work that has been today.
Despite having conducted meticulous exploration at the venue, international buyers do not stop their steps outside. Whether it is inspecting factories and supply chains, appreciating the scenery of the Greater Bay Area, or embracing the social and cultural life here, many foreign exhibitors said the ever-growing, more open Chinese market is not to be overlooked.
We visit some factories also, around Dongguan and other parts.
The way of technology, I think it's very good. It's improving.
Canton Fair is always one of the best exhibition for business owners. In one box, almost 10,000 plus exhibitors are there. So they got lots of information.